Hi guys, rubber band power time. I did a video using this wing from an Ornithopter, a cheap Ornithopter, to power the car, and it worked remarkably well. And then I was up in my junk room or work room and I spotted this, or at least I'll show you what was in it in a minute. Brainstorm Toys, the original flying bird. I've done a few videos of it actually flying. It's a wind-up rubber band powered Ornithopter bird, but it's significantly more advanced than that one. It looks a lot better. There you go, looks like that. So I'll put a link in the video description to my Ornithopters, and I think I've got a playlist just for this particular one. So you can have a look at it really flying. But what I'm going to do is strap it onto one of my other rubber band powered cars. This one I actually made with little bottle tops for the wheels, and it did work. But to give us less friction, I'm using CDs for wheels. So the bird is mounted in the middle. You wind it up, it's actually got a little crank handle under its tail there. So you wind it up with that, and then it's got a release lever just there, which is in a convenient place for when you launch it by hand, when you're throwing it overhead, because your finger would be right there. Unfortunately, that's in entirely the wrong place for when you want to release it on the car, because my hand's got to be in front of it. I have to get my hand out of the way quickly. I'll stick the camera on the back anyway, so we can actually watch it go in. In fact, I'll stick it on the back. I might even stick it on the front afterwards, just so we get a look with the bird flying away from us or coming towards us. The modification to this car is I've hot glued a pencil on the front to hold the nose, and a popsicle stick just there to hold the tail. That's the only modification, well, apart from the CD wheels. And we'll watch it go. Oh, just a point, it does bounce up and down a bit because it obviously flapping motion causes it all to flex, so it's a bit difficult to keep it going in a straight line. So I may have several attempts at this and edit it so we get the best. Right, not sure how I'm going to do this to launch it with one hand and point it in the right direction and hold the camera in the other hand. So I have to push the lever down and get my hand out the way. Well, that worked. Went straighter than I expected. Summary time. That was only intended as a bit of fun, but it worked remarkably well. So pleased with that. So all we've done is strapped an existing rubber band powered Ornithopter, originally from Brainstorm Toys, the original flying bird, and strapped it to one of my old rubber band powered cars, and it works fine. So pleased with that. Check out the video description for more information.